Tool utility shelves are an essential addition to any workshop or garage. There are many products available to choose tool utility shelves, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best tool utility shelves from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Number 1.
Best Office 4-Tier Wire Storage Shelves. The Best Office 4-Tier Shelving Unit, also known as the Best Office Wire Shelf, is a versatile and durable storage solution for your home or office. Made from heavy-duty steel wire, this shelf is not only sturdy, but also resistant to dirt buildup and corrosion. With 4 tiers of shelving, it provides ample space to store tools, clothes, books, and more, without taking up too much space itself. The height of the shelves can be adjusted to accommodate items of different sizes, and the leveling feet ensure maximum stability, even on uneven ground. This commercial-grade shelving unit is perfect for use in the kitchen, bathroom, garage, outdoor shed, and more. It has a maximum weight capacity of 1,000 pounds, with each shelf able to support up to 250 pounds when properly assembled. With the Best Office Wire Shelf, you'll have an impressive storage capacity and a customizable storage solution that meets your specific needs. Number 2. RYBI 3,010-pound Storage Shelves. This garage shelving heavy-duty can hold up to 2,000 pounds with extra stiffener instead of flimsy wood board. It has an innovative click-then-lock system for the ease of assembly, with no bolts, screws, or nuts needed. The metal shelves with 72-inch H35.5 W16 D large size provides sufficient storage space and holds tons of items. It is designed to be adjustable up and down in 1.4-inch increments and can be assembled into 2 small storage shelving. The entire all-metal shelving uses an anti-rust painting tech, easy to clean, moisture-proof, and rust-proof. Number 3. MaxWorks 807743 Shelf Utility Plasticart. The MaxWorks 807743 Shelf Utility Plasticart with wheels is perfect for any working environment such as garage, office, workshop, warehouse, and home/kitchen. This cart features injection-molded polypropylene shelves that are easy to clean, resist rust and stains, and won't dent. The aluminum legs are easy to install and won't rust, and the push handle on each side provides versatility. Built-in side rails on each shelf prevent load from rolling or sliding off, and the 4 non-marring swivel casters make maneuvering the cart easy. Each tray is rated up to 75 pounds load capacity, with a total combined capacity of 225 pounds. Number 4. Tokmak Mart 5-Tier Utility Shelves. This 5-tier storage rack is made of heavy-duty steel and durable Carb P2 compliant MDF boards, with each tier capable of bearing 386 pounds. It has a wide range of use, such as in the office, garage, living room, kitchen, workshops, warehouse, balcony, etc. It creates ample storage space for tools, books, magazines, kitchen utensils, and other decorations without taking up too much space. The boltless design allows for easy assembly, with detailed instructions and necessary mountings, and a pair of gloves are included. Number 5. RYBI 40-inch W Garage Shelving Heavy-Duty Storage Shelves. The RYBI Heavy-Duty Shelving offers a practical solution for your storage needs with its robust design. You will appreciate its heavy-duty metal construction, capable of holding up to 1,600 pounds across its 4 tiers. Assembly is a breeze, taking just minutes without the need for nuts or bolts, thanks to the included mallet. The adjustable shelving allows you to customize the height and configuration, making it ideal for various items, whether in the garage or kitchen. Its compact size ensures efficient space utilization, keeping your areas organized and clutter-free.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.